Alright, real quick, I wanted to go through this tension thing real quick. I got 3 blades here. I'm going to take the blade, grab it. These blades have not been oiled. This tension issue is what I think is wrecking a lot of clippers, damaging hinges, and just killing motors. It's confusing people. They're running out buying new clippers, and the problem a lot of times is right here. You should be able to move. This is pretty tight. It's too tight as it sits, but I'm going to oil it and check it. Feel this one here. I think it's a little too tight. I can move it, and I'm pretty good at moving it. I mean, you can push it like that. Should be moving freelier than that. This one's a little better, not too great. Put them on your clipper and listen to the sound of the motor. That's a no blade. Moving, not too bad. That one sounds real bad. It's rattling. It's an oster. Could be other things too. Let's hear this one. Oh, that's terrible for an Andis. That is an Andis. Look at that. Okay, I'm not going to try to groom a dog with that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to oil the blades real quick. Across the thing, up on the where it touches, and then on the back rail. And I'm going to see how the sound changes just on that before I even check the tension. Across the top, up here on the guide, all the areas that rub. Alright, let's go with that real bad one, see how it gets. Not good. That one got better. Not too bad. Now it's moving a lot better. So that one just needed oil. It wasn't too bad. I mean, it should move fairly freely. I'm not having to push it too crazily hard. That one's a little tight. Not too bad though. I'd probably leave that one if it was working. This one was the issue. It's terrible. I couldn't have to. I can move it, but it's like barely. And I have to put a ton of pressure, but my hands are used to this, so that's what I'm going to go in. Some people go in the middle and pop it up. Let's see if we can go dead center and go slow on that. Got a little better. Try it again. Go all the way underneath the cutter, bring it up. This one's bad. I have to go quite a bit. You don't want to go too much. It's harder. Okay, now it's moving. So I might be able to use this blade. Let's see if we get it. Sounds like I might be able to groom a dog with that. The sound of the motor is the key to knowing if you need oil or there's a tension issue. You should always hear a good sound. Listen to your clippers. They'll tell you when they need the blade needs oil or there's something going on that's not right. If the hinge is broke, it's going to be making a lot of noise.